Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Ed. In this video, I will guide you through how to enable and disable iTunes Store on iPhone. For that, first of all, you have to launch settings on your device. From here, scroll down a little bit and tap on Screen Time. Here, again scroll down and go through Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now, make sure that your content and privacy restriction is toggled on. Once you check that, go through Allowed Apps and Features. Then here you will see iTunes Store. If you want to enable iTunes Store, then make sure the button is toggled on. But if you want to disable it, then simply turn off this button. Then you have to enter your passcode and then you are good to go. In this way, you can easily enable or disable iTunes Store on iPhone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.